Hi, it's Jim. Happy July 4th. Hope your holiday last week was a good one. We have a lot to be thankful for, including the many freedoms we have in this country. People living with addiction, though, whether they're addicted to alcohol, street drugs, or prescription meds, really don't enjoy much personal freedom. They typically don't have much financial freedom. They're often burdened with health issues and are often held captive by a disease that in essence dictates what they do or don't do, where they go, who they hang out with, and what they think about. It can be a pretty desperate existence. And loving an addict can be confining as well, not knowing what to expect from minute to minute, anticipating when the next shoe will drop, or feeling the pain when it does. This too can be a pretty desperate existence. My guess is you know what I'm talking about because most of us know someone struggling with this issue, and some of us struggle with it in our own homes. But let me offer two freeing thoughts. First, addiction's been around a long time, so there are lots of people who have dealt with it and lots that's been written about it. Knowledge and connecting with others who've been there is liberating. And two, addiction is treatable. It may take a few tries with a few techniques, but people do experience recovery by the droves. So if you or someone you know needs to experience freedom from alcohol or other drug addiction, reach out. Ask what helping resources are available from your employer, or you can visit this site to find resources in Ohio or here if you're outside of Ohio. We need to stop beating ourselves up and feeling embarrassed about addiction and start treating it as the health issue it is. Addicts and those who can care about them can experience a sense of freedom from this disease.